Yo, how's it going? This boy Mickey. I'm back for another video. Today I'll show you how to view the Snap message history. The first thing, you need to go to Snap app, go to message in the bottom, and go to any message history. I can see I have a history here. I cannot find the scroll down. You see, you pop up the message, all message history message. You cannot save the message automatically. Snapchat delete the message. The old way, if you need to save your Snapchat message like that, if you need to save it, click hi, and go to save in chat. That Snapchat cannot delete your message in the chat. And this video for today, I hope that's helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff. I mean, and see you next time.